Hey there guys, I'm Crowe, the traveling scientist, here in Boulder, Colorado. And today I just want to show you guys what I get up to on a regular basis, a day in the life of the traveling scientist. I love camping in the Colorado forest. The scenery here is amazing. It's nice and cool at nighttime and it warms up during the day. It's perfect. But I did camp in front of an old lady's house last night, so I think, I don't think she likes me very much. So I'm gonna get a move on, see if I can find somewhere nice to stop for breakfast this morning.
Para arreglar los papeles de migración.
It's like 800 radio channels, nothing but crap. Normally I listen to music on my phone, but I'm filming with my phone right now, so I'm forced to listen to radio, which is rubbish. So now I'm going to drive in silence. Enjoy that. Yeah, it's pretty boring, huh? Yeah, I hate it too. Alrighty guys, welcome to the Traveling Scientist Kitchen. Here's my food storage box. Open that up. Inside we've got all sorts of healthy things. Raisins, oats, canned pineapple, noodles, oatmeal, Vickies. Now most mornings for breakfast I'll usually have a bowl of cereal. Now, I don't have a bowl, so I'm going to use this cooking pot. Just whip something up. Oats, some raisins, some cinnamon, some sneaky milk, and my cutlery that's just here. Brekkie, ready to go, nice and healthy and tasty. And I'm gonna go eat this somewhere nice. Why not? So this place where I stopped to have breakfast is actually so nice that I'm gonna go and fly the drone and see if I can get some cool footage. So I'm just gonna get changed and go for a fly. Alrighty, now that I've had some breakfast and taken the drone for a fly, it's time to go to work. So I'm going to head into town and see if I can't find a cafe, somewhere that's got Wi-Fi and will make me a nice cup of tea. So I'm heading that way. My Miss America, I drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. So I'm moving to New York, cause I've got problems with my sleep. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go down to New Orleans. You know I love you so. Baby, please don't go down. Anyway, here's the cafe. Let's go check it out. Hey there guys, so here I am in Galvanize. Boulder's best cafe, according to Google, is just next door. But that place was really busy, so I thought I'd come here instead. Got myself an iced coffee. I don't normally drink coffee, so when I do, the caffeine really hits me and I get heaps of work done, so that'll be an exciting thing. But yeah, I'm just going to sit here for a while and do some research in science and USA in general, do some video editing and a bit of writing, so yeah, it'll be fun. convenient is this? I come into the cafe, I was talking to the guy who made my coffee, and I just asked him if there's any cool things that I should see while I was here. He told me to check out that NCAR trail, which I thought was a weird name, so I looked it up. NCAR actually stands for the National Center of Atmospheric Research. It's a science laboratory here in Boulder, Colorado, and they do free tours every day. So that's what I'm doing this afternoon. I'm going to check out this lab. I'm so excited. Could be the coffee. It's really hitting me, but yeah, let's go check out this laboratory. Sweet. So I just made it to the National Center for Atmospheric Research, and I'm going to do a free tour. This place looks pretty cool. I think I'll learn a lot here. It's a cloud simulator. That was really cool. Just had an awesome tour and a chat with the tour guide afterward, and he was a really interesting guy. His name was Tim. Great job, Tim. They just talked a lot about the climate and what's going on in the world and what we can do to really make an impact. So, good afternoon. I think I need to go eat some food and then maybe do some exercise. Yeah, so this doesn't look like the worst place to eat lunch, just out the back of the laboratory. I'm having last night's leftovers, which was I cooked chickpeas with vegetables and canned tomatoes. Just chuck some spices in there to spice it up a bit. But yeah, it's pretty healthy, keeps me going. To talk about this road trip, I'm enjoying it. It's gone really well. Seeing lots of cool stuff, doing some amazing things. You know, I meet cool people along the way. I meet people in cafes and bars and stuff like that. I met some awesome guys in the laboratory and had a good chat about science and the future, and it was really interesting. But you know, sometimes I can go for days at a time without really talking to anyone except like the gas station attendant. So, you know, it does get a little bit lonely at times, and I encourage you to get in touch with me. If you know me, or even if you don't, if you've never met me before, send me an email, get in touch on Facebook or Instagram. I'm always happy to hear from people, and it helps keep me going, honestly. To find out that people are following along on my adventures and interested in what I have to say, you know, I love that. So please get in touch. It helps make me feel less lonely and helps make me enjoy this trip all the more. So yeah, that's me getting a bit deep. But anyway, back to lunch. That was a healthy, tasty lunch. But I think it's time to do some exercise. So I'm gonna go hit the gym. Bam. So this is my gym. Changes every day. But today I think I'm gonna go for a bit of a hike. First, I'm gonna climb that rock. So, just kind of climbing this rock because why not? I made it to the top so you can see where I am. Whew, there we go. So that's the hill I climbed. I was up there. So I try to do some exercise every single day, whether it's going for a walk or a run, climbing a mountain, or even just doing some push-ups by the car. Like, I think it's really important to do something, some sort of exercise every day to keep your brain happy and your heart healthy and just keep fit in general, because otherwise I just spend a lot of time sitting in bars and cafes and driving, which is not so healthy. And so, look, it works pretty well. It's not the worst place to be. Anyway, now I've had my exercise for the day. It's time to get back to work. So I'm gonna head into town. I think now I'm gonna go to a brewery and try some local beers and try to get some work done. So here we go. Alrighty, so here I am at the Rayback Collective. It's a cool bar that has plenty of locally brewed beers from all around. And yeah, I've already sampled some of these beers and I got a bit of work done, and now I'm just like sitting in the garden, enjoying the atmosphere. Pretty cool place. I'm also gonna do a live video while I'm here, so that'll be fun. You watch this daily life video, it's gonna be like I'm talking to you in the future or the past. So that's something. So yeah, this is what I do in my daily life, make live videos. And then I think the sun's starting to set. It's about 6 p.m. now, so I should really go and find somewhere to camp and make some dinner and settle down for the evening. So yeah, so that's a day in the life of the traveling scientist. Got some coffee, did some exercise, checked out a science research facility, had some tasty beers, and experienced some awesome scenery, like this lake behind me here is where I'm gonna have my dinner. Got some tasty instant Lipton soup, which, you know, I didn't even know Lipton's made soup, but their tea sucks, so I don't think it's gonna be very good.
going to mix it up with some frozen veggies and some spices, try and make it more healthy and more tasty. But yeah, that's a life in the day of the traveling scientist. Not much of a life, but it's my life and I love it. If you enjoyed watching this video, click the like button down below. Comment, let me know what you thought of a day in the life of the traveling scientist. And finally, if you haven't already, subscribe for more traveling science every week. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. How's this? I just found out that my instant Lipton's crappy soup is expired. And the inside is all dry and disgusting. This is going to be the worst dinner ever.
I love LA. I love it. This'll be the day that I die. I'm on the highway to hell.